Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your OnePlus 12R if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. And to do this we'll be using Google Assistant, and you just need to set it up for the lock screen. You can also check our video on how to do that and just look it up on our channel. Now, when you have your Google Assistant set for the lock screen, we can ask our Google with the phrase "Where are you?" or to play any song. That way your phone should start making sound and it also should be easy to find. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
Bet you can't find me.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.